So here we have A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is 4 is to 7 is to 9. And in terms of actual quantity, the total of A plus B plus C is 30. I have to find the value of C. So let us try to find out. So actual quantity, the total of A plus B plus C is 30. And in terms of ratio, I have been given A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A is to equals to 4 is to 7 is to 9. Okay. So now if I add all this, it will become 2A plus 2B plus 2C will actually become 4 plus 7 plus 9. Which means A plus B plus C, I take 2 common, will become 20. A plus B plus C is 10. So this is total of ratio. Correct? So one ratio is 10 and in actual quantity, the total of ratio is 10 and in actual quantity is 3. Which means actually one ratio of A plus B plus C will represent 3 if I compare ratio and quantity, which means I can write this A plus B is to B plus C is to C plus A in terms of quantities as 4 into 3, 12 is to 21 is to 27. So now these are the actual quantities which I actually got. So what is 12? The quantity of A plus B is 12. So if I put A plus B as 12 in this ratio, it will become 12 plus C is 30. So C will be 30 minus 12, that is 18. So answer to this question is 18, right? Because I actually found out A plus B in ratio is 4. So what will be A plus B in terms of actual quantity? So from ratio ka total and total quantity ka total, I found the relation is 1:3. So A plus B in ratio it represents 4. In terms of quantity, it will represent 12. I substituted the quantity in this actual quantity total A plus B as 12. Then I got C as 18. Clear? So similar kind of sum. So let us say I'll directly do this sum because it's very similar to previous one. So in terms of ratio, I will have the total as 2 times A plus B plus C will be 10 plus 8, 18. And in terms of actual quantity, it is 108, which means the quantity, in terms of ratio, it is 9 and here it is 8, which means one ratio is representing how much? 108 divided by 9, which means 12. Yes or no? Which means A plus B is 3. Actually, it will represent 36. B plus C is 7. It will represent 84. C plus A is 8. So it will represent 96, right? Now I have to find C minus A. So A plus B is 36. So if I put 36 here, I will get C. So C will be, I will subtract 36 from here. So C is 72. Now I want to find A. So to find A, I can use B plus C. So B plus C is 84. So I can say A plus 84 is 108. So A will become 108 minus 84. 28. 24. So now C is 72, A is 24. So C minus A will be 72 minus 24. So 48 is the answer to this question. Okay. So now we are able to relate how to relate ratios in and actual quantities by comparing them. So here we have been given A is to B plus C is 1 by 2 and C is to A plus B is 7 by 11. 7 is to 11. Find B is to A plus C. So now A is to B plus C is 1 is to 2. and C is to A plus B is 7 is to 11. So what is the total of this ratio? A plus B plus C. It is 3, and here A plus B plus C is 18. Correct? Now both this are the ratio of same quantities, so इनका total same कर दो. If I have to make this is 18, I can make this 18 by multiplying this by 6. So if I multiply this by 6, the ratio will become 6. The ratio will become multiply by 6. 6 is to 12. So now my ratios actually became A is to B plus C is 6 is to 12. So understand one thing, 6 is to 12 is same as 1 is to 2. So my ratio I am not changing by multiplying it by 6. And C is to A plus B is 7 is to 11. Right? Which means now both these quantities are same. Which means what is the value of A? 6. What is the value of C? 7. What is the value of B plus C? B plus C is 12. So B will be 12 minus C. C is 7, that is 5. So I got A as 6, B as 5 and C as 7. I want to find the ratio B is to A plus C. So B is 5. A plus C is 13. So answer is 5 is to 13. Okay. Hello students, this is Aalok Guptaa, your mathematics mentor and coach at Kkhyatis EdTech. So I have brought a lot of problems around 120, 130 on ratio and proportion. Please go through it, and if you have any queries, please get in touch with me on WhatsApp or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be getting motivated and I will come with more and more such concepts in near future. Thank you so much.